Want to hide apps on your Android, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide apps on your Android device. Now let's get started. The easiest way to hide apps on Android devices is using your settings. Open your Android Settings app. Then select Home Screen. Tap Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Now select the apps you want to hide. When you're finished, tap Done. Once you've done this, the apps you've selected to hide will no longer appear on your home screen or on your app screens. If you want to use one of your hidden apps, open your settings, select Apps, select the app you want to use, then tap Open. That's all it takes to hide apps on Android. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.